What's going on, everyone? It's Max Trades back with another video. So no, I've been posting in a while, but I haven't really been trading just because I had a AP microeconomics exam today. I did trade in New York as well, so I've been really busy with schoolwork over the past couple of days. I had a busy weekend. Like you kind of partied on the weekend. My bad. But like I'm back on my shit now, and we're back on Asia with a banger trade. So today I'll be going over how I made $203 in the paper account trading NASDAQ. So basically, coming to the day, as we said before, price action was really, really bad throughout the entire day, to be honest, even during Asia, especially during New York, price action was really, really bad. Uh, we had, we were in a 4 hour gap uh, we were in a 4 hour gap for most of the day. As you can see, we actually came down and retested it multiple times here. So we were in this 4 hour gap, and if you go down the 1 hour, let's focus on Asia now because you can see this is New York, just not it's ass. New York was just bad. We just dumped, and there was really no entry. This is at 11 as well, so no really entry on this dump move. So as you can see, as we come into Asia right now, which is like in terms of the 1 hour time frame, it's around here, right? You can see we're tickling, we're like tickling like it's fucking testicles, the fucking 1 hour FVG, right? And we're also kind of dicked into this bullshit 1 hour bearish FVG. So I'm like, this is like bear confusing for me. I'm lucky lost like at this point because I'm like, we have literally no, we have like we have all time highs up here, right? And then we have, I guess we technically have a small unfilled gap here, and we're in hourly gap. We're also in a bearish hourly gap, right? So I'm like, we're in two fucking fair value gaps at the same time. My dumbass is so confused. I'm like, what the fuck are we doing? Because we're in one, we're in a fucking bullish gap, and we're in a bearish gap at the same time. And I'm like, what the fuck? So really, the only thing I had, there was no news as well. There was like barely any yellow folder news. Fuck me. That we had. So I was just like, the only thing that was like like kind of influencing, fuck me, my bias was the all-time highs, and we know we don't take shorts at all-time highs. So I decided to come in and take this fucking banger trade 1 to 4. No, I'm kidding. I need to calm down. Okay, like I'm streaking. But basically, we had basically this is all like post New York, like PM New York right here. It's like so PM New York. Loki started like around like 2 p.m. ish right here. So we after dumping, look as you see, there's really no entries I could take off this. There's no SMTs or anything off this short move on New York. And at this time I was in my AP exam, and then we came down here and we had this consolidation level from 1 p.m. pretty much all the way up to Asia Open, which is like right here. So Asia from here to with this consolidation level, and we made some kilos, and we saw price Loki teleport off the NWOG. It's not even NWOG. What am I saying? Sorry, after some bullshit, the price just teleported. So basically, what ended up happening was we had a 5 minute liquidity sweep right over here, as you can see. Let me zoom in on this candle. You see this little wick over here, liquidity sweep of these New York lows and the pre-market Asia low, right? So we swept all this liquidity, and even better, it's like so. Just the thing you have to understand here, what was going through my mind is, look, we've had a really choppy session, a really choppy, slow moving day. We had one big down move with no entries, right? We're in a really slow fucking day, and all of a sudden we see a 5 minute sweep to the downside. And this is not just a pre-market Asia sweep. This is a New York PM sweep as well. So we swept out lots of lows, and that's something I mean like that's something like that kind of told me that we're gonna probably either chop or see a really big move. And I was really leaning towards that big move. I was thinking we're gonna see a really big long move because we also have these unfilled gaps, 5 minute gaps up here, which aren't really significant. But the main thing is we're at all time fucking highs. We're at all time highs, and we know we want to go longs at all time highs. It's just common sense. So basically, just to sweeten the pot, like it was like the trading gods were like butt fucking me. We see that we had a 1 minute SMT because we came down and swept out these relative equal lows, these lows up, relative equal lows here, and these lows down here on the 1 minute. As you see on the Nasdaq, we did this, but on the as we come down right here, so close below them as well. But on the S&P, show you guys. What time is this? This shit was at like here, right? The S&P, we did not. Wait, what? Wait. thing. Wait, my bad. Wait, I was looking at the wrong thing. Wait. 750 low. Right, sorry, just want to make sure 70 low. Close below the 425 low, S&P. Oh yeah, here. Sorry, here. This is the close right here. This is the candle I was looking at right here. 750 and the 4 p.m. lows. So basically, this is the 750 low. So we see it closed below these Asia lows, which is good, but it did not close below these New York lows. Whereas on NASDAQ, if I show you guys NASDAQ, we actually closed below these New York lows down here, these 4 p.m. New York lows, which I just circled on Asia, right? So these relative equal lows on the 1 minute on on NASDAQ were taken out. These relative equal lows that were essentially right after New York market closed, these lows on NASDAQ were taken out, but on the S&P they weren't. Let me show you one more time. This is clear. The S&P, these 4 p.m. lows over here were not taken out by this sweep of price. So that indicates what a bullish SMT. And me in my mind thinking, look, we've just had a 5-minute liquidity sweep, and it's clear to see these lows being swept out on the 5-minute as well. So if I come over here, we can see these relative equal lows down here being swept out again by this wick over here, by this candle wick over here. So in my mind, I'm thinking, look, we just had a big SMT and a big sweep. So we're obviously going for long. So we had a slow session. Sorry. So now I'm looking at the 1 minute here, and I see, okay, bang, we have a gap here, right? Inverse the gap, and we just formed a 1 minute bullish gap. So I'm looking for the continuation to the upside because I know continuation is coming, right? Like it always does. So I'm marking out this gap here, and I see, like the Leonardo DiCaprio gif. I'm like, what the fuck is this shit right here? Come down and fully retest this gap, and we have, as soon as I see the slightest bit of blue candle appearing, I literally enter right there, like right on the retest. I literally enter. It's like my intuition, right? And within, how many candles is this? 1, 2, 3. 3 minutes, I hit the full TP for $206. So I think this isn't natural. This has got to be some news or like, but like this is like, I don't want to brag about like, oh, it's 3 minutes, I hit in 3 minutes, I made 200. No, it's not like that. It was a good setup. It was a good discretionary setup, and it was a good way to trade a choppy day. It was a good way. We found a way to make money on a shit day, which is, I mean, could be a good thing or a bad thing. Because one, you could look at it like, oh yeah, you're a good trader. You figured out, price is moving so bad. You figured out where to enter, and you still made money. Or on the other hand, it's like, why are we trading on a shit day anyway, right? So I guess it's kind of like a double edged knife or whatever they call it, right? Double edged sword. There's a there's good things and bad things about this trade, but mainly it was a really good trade. This is what you call a snipe, right? I mean, I'm sorry, but like it's really what you call a snipe, and I'm pretty happy with this end. Like I'm really happy with this entry. But I mean, obviously, I expected it to take a little more time to hit, especially these highs. Like these are pretty audacious. I say it, audacious, like pretty like bold of me to target these highs up here. Should look target up there as well, but like I already went break even. As soon as this first candle closed, I'm like, you know what, break even, bro. Cause it's probably in my head, I'm thinking it's probably gonna rebalance and decrease the downside, but it didn't. It just kept going up. So all in all, I mean, it's good. I haven't traded in like 4 or 5 days. I mean, I have, but just haven't posted. And yeah, I really haven't actually traded. I wasn't really focused on the charts that much in the past 4 or 5 days. It's a pretty busy couple of days for me. But I'm back on my shit now. We're back with a fucking bang because this is a clean ass trade. So all in all, good trade. The main thing I want to point out is it's a good thing I took trade and a bad thing because why am I trading on a shit day forcing an entry? But at the same time, it's like, bro, come on, like you should allow me 1 to 4.5, 1 to 4.67 chill. 3 minute, like, come on, bro, can you just whatever? But whatever, it's fine. Yeah, pretty much that's it for today. Probably trade New York tomorrow. I'm free man from AP. So yeah, probably New York and Asia. I'll get a video out. And apart from that, that's it for today. And that's Maximus Trades out.